Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer Steam authentication code from your previous smartphone to your new POCO F5 series of smartphone. And right here I have Steam downloaded on both of the devices. So let's launch it on both of them. So this is the device that I had previously used for Steam authentication. And what we want to do is to try to sign in on our new phone. So I'm going to do it off screen for obvious reasons. Now we need to use the Steam mobile app to confirm that we're signing in. So click on the Authenticator code, and here we need to approve it. Or if you don't see this approval, then again go for this Authenticator and use the code instead. Now the authentication code is moved to this device. We can click on Done, add Authenticator, and move Authenticator. Here we need to enter the code we sent to our phone. So I have the SIM card here with the number for it, and enter this code like that and verify it. And here we have it, the authentication and the Steam card is moved to our POCO. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.